Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Today I've got a very important video for you, and I want to talk to you about why I think Bitcoin is going to go parabolic and leave a lot of people left behind. A lot of people may call me crazy, and I want to talk through that. People lose sight of the bigger picture sometimes, and I really believe that potentially Bitcoin can go parabolic in the relatively near future. Okay, well, let's go through this because a lot of people are really fearful. All coins have dropped 70%. Bitcoin has dropped 20%, which is nothing, right? And people feel like the world is ending. Now let's go through this. This is a giant bullish continuation pattern on a 3 month chart, right? Guys, this is a giant bullish continuation pattern, right? There's no other way to put this in my eyes, right? I've been trading for 15 years, and when I look at this, I just see this price. I see Bitcoin mooning, right? I really do. And I'm not trying to pump anything. I'm not trying to shill this or anything. It is what it is. Look at this. This is what it is. It's a beautiful pattern, guys. And the thing is, maybe it's too beautiful. That's the problem. It is so perfect that sometimes perfect patterns can fail. Okay, but it's such a bullish pattern. It's crazy. Now the other thing about this is we've already broke out. We have we are in a giant bullish pennant, right? If you look at this, we're in a giant bullish pennant, and the target of the giant bullish pennant, I'm doing this very roughly, is if I move that there to the breakout point, right? The target here is $28,000, right? The target for Bitcoin is $28,000 from the pattern perspective. Okay. Now here's a few other things very quickly. We are in the process of launching a digital dollar, a US dollar. We are in the process of launching a euro, a digital euro. That the stock market SEC chairman, I think, yeah, he came out and he says that the entire stock market will get digitized into tokens, right? The Thailand Central Bank has put $1.6 billion onto a ledger, right? The crypto market is growing. It is going to continue to grow. It's going to explode basically over the next 10 years, right? It's going to get a lot bigger. Now let me show you one thing here. This is very important. People have lost sight. The market drops a little bit and people panic. Um, let me show you this. I need to go to a daily chart here. Right. If I show you this, right, people might sort of see what I'm talking about. Okay, look at these two patterns. These two patterns are identical, almost identical at least. Now you can see, right, price went into a strong uptrend and it touched the white 100 moving average once, twice, three times. We'll just call that three times, but it did chop about in there on it. Now, what have we got here? We have once, twice, and we've already hit that three times, right? The white 100 moving average has been hit three times. We are in a bullish pattern, and it's a bullish, potential bullish continuation pattern at this point. Look at the structure. Look at the structure. Look at the moving averages moving higher, holding the white 100 moving average in a triangular sort of pattern. This was the same here. We had a bullish continuation pattern. Guys, this market is going to grow. People are freaking out. Yes, I understand the market did drop 70%, and it's been a choppy hell of a mess for the last few weeks. Um, but we shouldn't lose sight of the bigger picture. This market can explode higher and probably will explode higher in the relatively near future. I've got something amazing to show you in 1 minute. I'm getting to that. I'm building up to the finale. Okay. Now, so if the total market cap is growing, has potential to grow, the last time this exploded off this, altcoins are down 70%, right? If the altcoins start to bounce and get even bounce 30%, for example, this is going to start to bark back up. When this started back up last time, FOMO ensued, right? The market, everybody was thinking the altcoins are going to go hot again, whatever. The BART backup caused FOMO and the market skyrocketed. Okay, plus exchanges and Tether and everything else. Um, but we are in the middle of printing money, in the middle of creating a digital dollar. the market is growing. It's guys, we do not want to lose sight of the bigger picture here. People are too busy watching the 1 minute chart, the 1 hour chart. Right, now what I want to show you guys here is gold. Okay, now the moving average structure, guys, the perfect moving average structure, right, is red, purple, white, the two blues, then the green and the yellow on top, in that order, right? You start on the red. Look at this. This is the perfect moving average structure, right? You can see this for a very strong move. You can see the way they're aligned. It's a sign of strength. It's a sign of bullishness. It's a sign of power, right? And you do not want to mess with that. Okay. Now look at this in a larger trend. It's a weekly chart, of course. Look at gold. Gold, the inception of the red 200 moving average, and we moved up and we had this strength. The moving averages were aligned perfectly, just like Bitcoin, right? They all aligned perfectly. Now, when price, let me zoom in here. When price, you can see at the top here of the double top, right? Bitcoin, or sorry, gold dropped down. It had a bear flag. Look at this bear flag. Bitcoin has got a bear flag right now, a very, very similar pattern. Okay, and you can see gold start to drop. Okay, look at this, and this gold started to drop. But remember the overall structure, the bullish nature of the structure is likely to fail to the downside. Price will try to go lower, but it won't go that much lower. Okay, what happened? Price failed. Price broke down at a bear flag. It broke down, but it broke straight back up. Okay, and what happened? Gold went parabolic, right? From this move, a failed move creates a fast move in the market. If you fail, price will go very hard in the opposite direction. Okay, we teach that in our live trading room. So, and you can see what happened here. Price went parabolic. I believe Bitcoin is going to go parabolic, right? We have a giant bullish structure. We have the news coming out is amazing. I mean, apart from the stock market possibly topping out, which I don't think it's going to top out. I've got two minds on that. If there's going to be more printing, it's not going to top out. They could print this market and it could go higher for another 5 years. So there's depending factors. But anyway, I don't want to get sidetracked, guys. I think that this can potentially have a failed move here and Bitcoin go parabolic, just like gold did right here. Gold, pull back into the blue moving averages. You want to look at a closer look? We are identical structure, identical moving averages at this point, holding above the green, right? Look at holding on the green here on gold, holding on the green here. What happened? We had one fake down. The fake down just took out the lows. Okay, look at this. We faked down, took out the lows, price broke back up inside, and we went parabolic. Okay, guys, if you want help trading this market, we will be trading this, and we will be longing a lot of these altcoins and longing a lot of Bitcoin and looking for precise entries on this market. Well, I've been trading for 15 years, but when I look at this chart, I see a super bullish structure. I see Bitcoin exploding, and I'm not trying to shill it. That this is just what it is. It is what it is on the chart. If I'm right or not, I don't know. We will see. We will try and trade this. But if you want help trading this, we have a group of fantastic members in there. We also have a ton of buy and sell alerts, and we also have $1 million worth of courses. These courses are from banks, institutions, and professional traders. So if you really want to up your game, guys, I believe we can help you. That's it, guys, for today. Honestly, guys, this market is heating up, and we're Bitcoin's about to just break out of this chop, guys. This market is about to heat up, and you do not want to be sleeping on this. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in the 3-day free trial, just click on the link below, and we'll see you in there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.